this screen was repressed before, so I'm trying to remove this screen. So what happened was a screen entirely for it to come out like this. This is not the first time this phone has been 1 year before. I can see that. So the person that was working on this phone for me to experience this problem is because he had applied glue on the base of the frame. We don't do that when you're repairing a phone. So you apply the glue here, so that when it's time to remove it like this, one has to just remove that glue there. But this one made a mistake, had to put glue on the base of the phone, and this becomes a problem. So for me to remove this, it's gonna be a war, because you see that? So you see this? Yes, it's a thing. So this is part of the screen. Okay, so now what happens is, if this screen is not broken, if the person doesn't want to change, maybe they just want to open the phone. So this is the problem they experience. The person that will be removing the screen, maybe to work on something at the back, or maybe to work on something here, or whatever it is, if someone has to remove this, it's going to be war, and they might break the screen. And then Mambokola did that, no, it damaged my screen, whatever. When you're forgetting, you see, this person that was doing this is an amateur. We don't do this, because when you apply glue here, means this screen will stick here. We don't put the glue here, we put the glue on the edges. So it's a mistake this person did. Kuchakala ka phone because my phone is sida.
Yes, and I was phone.
Yonsi.
Yeah, kana pa kweli.
Ya phone insha sana phone yangu ngai kumpata. See this. So this is the plate that was put here. But my phone yama is anaweza kuona hapo is.
Sasa ndio kwa mtu mapa mwana pa phone.
So this person is very very dirty, you see? So ni mfunie fiko fiance. This person is really dirty, you see. So he was applying the glue there. So the result, they would damage your screen. Look at this. So when I put the screen myself, it doesn't need to stick like this, because if I have to remove this, maybe let's say for example this panel of the phone damaged and you want to change, maybe just get a screen and sell. How can you sell it when it's like this? So give us who are professionals in this stuff. So guys, you look at this. This is the panel, okay? This is the phone panel. This phone panel, guys, is the one phone now. This is the panel they talk about. This is the panel they talk about. Okay. Then here also, this is where the charging system is. So Kulabato charging system, then you just change this. Okay. Then sometimes it's not about this charging system. Sometimes it's the panel, the whole panel of this gets damaged, so you have to remove the whole panel, and then you replace the charging port just like that. Right, so that's what happens, guys. Right, so we are going to work on this phone well and nicely. Okay, so cable E hapa, so cable ya screen here na imbi hapa, so na ikota double E hapa na hii hapa. So guys, when you bring me a phone, then I tell you to say Nshila, we waited imbi. This is what I mean. Pantum na la isapatula phone ingepo lichala kutosha manoramba wala cha songa wale itakuwa vetimpera waited imbi. You see? So this is what happens actually. So this is the screen that was actually broken. I have to replace this screen. This is the battery for the phone, you guys. Mama is calling mama. Okay, so this is a battery for the phone. This one is a battery. To just do this, it takes a lot of heat money. So when you come, I saw my phone, you're very money. So So it takes some level of intelligence to do these things, you guys. So we are doing screen replacement in case you have a broken phone, a broken screen. Right, so this is just one phone, so I'll assemble it nicely. So guys, when you bring me a phone, then I tell you to say Nshila, we wear imbi. This is what I mean. Pantum nala isapatula phone ngepo lichala kupesa mano lamba wala echa songa wale itakuwa vetimpera wewe imbi. You see, so this is what happens actually. So this is the screen that was actually broken. I have to replace this screen. This is the battery for the phone, you guys. Mama is calling mama. Okay, so this is a battery for the phone. This one, it's a battery. So just do this. It takes a lot of heat. So when you come, I say my phone you very Monica. So so it takes some level of intelligence to do these things, you guys. So we are doing screen replacement in case you have a broken phone, a broken screen. Right, so this is just one phone, so I'll assemble it nicely.